Hi guys, welcome back to TechnoWeb Hack, and this is Parikshit here once again. And in today's video we will be looking into the wheel framework. What is wheel and how to use wheel. Okay, so as we have successfully compromised the Windows 7 machine in the previous tutorial, and we used the MSF Venom and we created the shellcode or payloads by using the MSF Venom, and we have executed that payload into the Windows 7 machine, and we got the interpreter session open on our attacker machine. So the same way, wheel is also the shellcode generator or the executable file generator or the payload generator. So in this way you can instead of using MSF Venom, you can also generate the shellcode or payloads by using a wheel tool. And wheel is also used or commonly known for the bypassing or for creating the payload that can bypass normal antiviruses or common antiviruses. Okay, so let's start it. I will show you how you can download this tool and how you can install it. So first of all, you can simply go to the internet, and if you find it wheel over there, so I will show you here. Like simply just you have to go wheel framework. Okay, wheel framework like this. Okay, and here you have to choose the second link, that is GitHub wheel framework wheel 3.1. you just have to open it over here. Okay, and then you will find a clone and download option. So once you download it, you will find these files under the folder. As I have already downloaded it, I will show you how it is. So okay, I'll close it, and yeah, so we are here under the wheel folder, and we have downloaded it from there, from the GitHub, and we have these files available over here. So under the config file you will find a setup.sh. you just have to open the terminal here, and you just have to run the setup.sh file. Okay, so once you run it, it will start installing the wheel framework into your Kali machine. Alright, so as I have already installed it, I will not go ahead and install it once again. Okay, so for you guys, you will have to do this, and once you do that, again you will have to update config file for this. So first of all, once the installation is complete, so you just have to update the config file by running the / and update config py, and it may ask you for the permission, or it may say that access denied or something. So you just have to make sure that in properties you can go to permission, you can allow this executing file as a program, so it will have a permission to execute and you will be able to do that. All right, so I have already done that, and I have already installed the wheel tool here. So I will show you how to use it and how to create a shellcode that can bypass a common antiviruses, and how we will use this shellcode to hack into any machines. Alright, so we are here into the wheel, and we have the wheel.py here. We just open the terminal right here, just like this. Alright, so now /wheel.py. Alright, so the window will open like this. So you have here wheel evasion and wheel ordinance. So I will first would like to tell you guys that there are the versions available for the wheel, like a wheel evasion and wheel. So you have to make sure that you download the wheel version and not the wheel evasion, because wheel evasion is currently not supporting and it will not run properly into your Kali machine. So make sure that you will download only wheel version. So I have already done that, and okay, here we are. So while using it, we'll choose the first option here as a wheel, as a evasion, and here you will find the 24 payloads loaded. Okay, so you can list out of them, and you can see what are the payload that we have available here in the wheel evasion. Okay, so we have the auxiliary code war, okay, macros, py installer, okay, meterpreter, reverse http for the C, then cs, then like this go meterpreter. Okay, so PowerShell, then Python. So you can use any of this, and you can just create a shellcode or the executable file or the payload, whatever you want. Okay, so you just have to use this. You have to use the use command and just say, like, if I want to use go meterpreter reverse TCP, so it will be like a Windows meterpreter reverse TCP. So 16 is the number for this, so you have to use 16. You have to see what are the options that we need to set. So here you can see that here I can see that IP of Metasploit handler is not set, so this is the one that you need to set. That will be our L host. So 192.168.43.87. I will show you once again in the new tab with the ifconfig. It is 43.87. alright, so we have it, just set it out. And port for the Metasploit handler, so as by default it is 80, but we will set it to 4444. It says you did not provide a valid amount of argument, so I have to set L port, set L port 4444. okay, it's got set. Now all the options are set properly. You can verify it by using options command. You can see this is our port and this is our L host. Now you just have to generate payload, so you will use the generate command, just generate it. Okay, and you have to give the output file name just like this here. So I will give our output file name as a new payload, or I will give like a wheel payload or wheel TCP payload and enter. So it is generating it now, and meanwhile I will start the Metasploit. Metasploit is starting. Meanwhile, yeah, we can see that the executable, the file exe file has been created. We can find it here in the var lib wheel output compiled. So you just have to go to this path. Okay, wheel, you have to go to the var. Okay, so var and then lib and wheel. So here it is, and then output and then compiled, and this is our wheel tcp payload.exe file is generated. Alright, we got that file. We will check the MSF console is started. Yeah, so now we will start handler. Okay, so you have to use the exploit, then multi-handler. Yeah, multi-handler. So this like this. Then you have to set the payload what you have set in your payload. Payload is Windows interpreter, and reverse TCP we have given. So okay, and then we will set the L host which we have set over there just like that. Okay, and we will set the L port that we have set over there, and then we will exploit it. But before that, you make sure we will just like copy this and we will send it to our Windows machine. Alright, so I will send it to the Windows machine. Alright, I copied it there. Now you can see that it's there inside the shared folder wheel TCP payload. Alright, so I will copy it here. This is our wheel TCP payload, copy, and I will paste it to the desktop. Okay, we have it here now, and I will start the exploit here. It is started listening on the port 4444. I will simply execute it here now. Okay, it is executed, and you can see Meterpreter session is open in our side. So it is perfect, it's executed. Now first I will see get UID. Okay, so yes, this machine we got here. You can see shell. Yeah, we have the desktop. Alright, so this is compromised successfully. Now I will show you how we will use this payload to hack into the Windows 10 machine, as I already have a Windows 10 machine here and I have the Defender as well. So I will first open the Windows Defender, or I will simply copy it and I will put it into the desktop. Okay, I have it here, and I'm sure that this will get captured by the Windows Defender. So when you run this, it is asking to clean. So it means that it has detected my payload as a malicious program. So Windows Defender in the Windows 10 machine is very powerful, and it is updated with the latest security patches. So it will detect your payload as a virus. So in this case, to make it run, you have to disable the Windows Defender, and let's execute it now from here. And okay, sorry, I have to first open another session. So let's do it. Like I will just go back, so exit. Okay, we will exploit it here, and it started listening now, and now I will execute it here in my host machine. So you can see that yes, on 58, it means that my host machine is compromised. So get UID. So it says that yes, this is the host name of my machine, host machine. You can see it here like properties, and yes, Parikshita is the computer name. So you can see that my Windows 10 machine has been hacked successfully by using this shell code. Alright, but I had to disable the Windows Defender in my host machine, so that's why it is working fine. And even wheel tool cannot bypass the Windows 10 Defender as it is updated with the latest security patches. And in Windows 7, as you can see, it is perfectly working fine. You can see the Windows Defender is here and it is not scanning my wheel TCP payload file as a virus. Okay, so this is perfectly working in Windows 7 and bypassing the Windows Defender, but in Windows 10 it is not bypassing the Windows Defender. So next videos we will see how we will use the other tools like Venom tool we have to create the shellcode or executable files. So we will create some shellcode by using the Venom tool, and we will try to apply it or use it in the Windows 10 machine as well. So okay guys, so now you can see that no unwanted or harmful software detected. So it means that our wheel TCP payload is working completely fine in Windows 7 machine. Alright guys, this is all for it. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the next videos that will be coming. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Alright, this is all for it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.